Good morning, students. Today's topic is part of prescription. Prescription is generally written on a standard format, which is usually kept as PAT. A standard prescription consisting of following parts: first, date; second, name, age, sex, and address of patient with its registration number; third one is superscription; fourth, inscription; fifth, subscription; sixth, signature; seventh, renewal instruction; and eighth one is signature, address, and registration number of prescriber or physician. This is standard format for prescription, which contain name of hospital, clinic, or any healthcare center, date, name, father name, age, sex, address, patient registration number, superscription, inscription, subscription, signature, renewal instruction, and date, name, and registration number of designation with registration number of any prescriber or physician. Date: it helps a pharmacist to find out the date of prescribing and the date of presentation for filling the prescription. The prescription which prescribe narcotic or other habit forming drug must bear the date so as to avoid the misuse of prescription if it is presented by patient number of time for dispensing. Second one is age, name, sex, and address of patient. Name, age, sex, and address of patient must be written in prescription because it serves to identify the prescription. In case if any of these information is missing in prescription, the sum may be included by the pharmacist after proper inquiry from the patient. Name, age of patient, especially in case of children, help the pharmacist to check the prescribed dose of medication. In some case, the weight of patient may also be required in order to calculate the appropriate dose. Third one is superscription. It is presented by the symbol RX, which is written before writing the prescription. RX is an abbreviation of Latin word meaning you take. This is a request from a physician to pharmacist. You take the following ingredients or excipient for patient recovery or cure for preparation of any formulation. In olden days, the symbol was considered to be originated from the sign of Jupiter, god of healing. This symbol was employed by ancient in requesting God for the quick recovery of patient. Fourth one is inscription. This is the main part of prescription order, containing the name and quantity of prescribed ingredient. The name of ingredient are generally written in English language and in abbreviation form, which contain both English and Latin language. The name of each ingredient is written on a specific or separate line along with its quantity. In complex prescription containing several ingredients, the inscription is divided into following parts. First is base, the active medicament which are intended to produce the therapeutic effect. Adjuvant, it is included either to enhance the action of medicament or to improve the palatability of preparation. विकल्प में क्या आएगा? It is included in the prescription either to dissolve the solid ingredient or to increase the volume of preparation. Nowadays, the majority of drugs are prescribed which are already in a suitable formulation. Fifth one is subscription. This compares direction to the pharmacist for preparing the prescription and the number of doses to be dispensed. These days, the prescribed are omitted the specific instruction to the pharmacist because the majority of prescription are not compounded and dispensed. Signature. This consists of direction to given to a patient regarding the administration of drug. It is usually written as an SIG on the prescription. The instruction given in prescription are required to be transferred to a label of the container in which the medicament is to be dispensed so that the patient can follow it. Renewal instruction. Prescribed or prescriber indicate on every prescription order whether it may be renewed and if so how many times. It is very important, particularly in the prescription containing narcotic or other habit-forming drug to patient and its misuse. Signature, address, registration number of prescriber. Prescription must bear the signature of the prescriber along with the registration number and address. It is very important, particularly in prescription containing the narcotic and other habit-forming drug to prevent its misuse.